Hi everyone, my name's Dylan, and today I'm going to show you how to get started in GoDaddy Studio by giving you a quick tour of the mobile app. Now today I'll be using the iOS version, but don't forget it's available on Android too, as well as web. Now in iOS, your home screen will be the Discover feed. This is a collection of short stories filled with tips, techniques, ideas, and trending content to help you get started quickly and easily. So you could tap on any of these stories, read up a little bit about the ideas that we have for you, and if any of the templates catch your eye, you can tap on them. They'll open up in the design editor and you can start right away using one of those. Similarly, if there are suggested graphics in any of the stories, you can simply tap on that. It'll open up the full collection of graphics, and you can just as easily use one of those as the starting point of your new design. Alright, now to see the full collection of templates that we have available in GoDaddy Studio, let's navigate to the bottom menu, tap on Templates, and that will call up the full feed. Now templates are added to GoDaddy Studio every single day. There are thousands and thousands and thousands, and they're arranged in chronological order. The newest ones are at the top, and if you've got a few hours spare, you're welcome to try and scroll all the way to the bottom. But most of us don't have that kind of time, so let's use the quick start buttons right at the top. These are really useful if you know the type of design you are trying to create. So let's say you're hoping to create a Pinterest post, then the Pinterest quick start would be a logical place to start. And similarly, if you are wanting to create a banner or an ad, this will help narrow down the template feed to designs created with that particular format in mind. Just above these main quick start buttons, there's a smaller row of quick starts too, and these are useful for finding content around upcoming days like Halloween, which is just a few weeks away, and this will give you access to all of our Halloween content. And then similarly in that row, if there's a specific category you're looking for, so let's say you are in the beauty business, then tapping on that will give you access to all the designs that have been created with the beauty industry in mind. Similarly, if you are, let's say, in real estate, then that obviously invokes a very different aesthetic, and you'll need a whole different type of template sets. So we have those for most industries too. Now, the easiest way to find exactly what you're looking for is to use the search bar. So whether you are a yoga studio looking for a template to promote a new workshop, that would be a good way to start. Or you could search around a specific event or occasion. So again, Black Friday is coming up around the corner. So searching for Black Friday will expose you to some of our templates designed for that big sale occasion. Or perhaps you have a particular design style in mind. So you might be an elegant brand, or use elegant to define your brand style, and using that as your search term will narrow down the template designs to those that have a particularly elegant look and feel. So there are a lot of ways to find the design you're looking for. Regardless of how you get there, you would simply tap the one that you ultimately decide on, and it will automatically open up in the design editor. And at this point, all the various elements on the page are completely editable. You can use your layers view at the top here to get a sense of all the different elements on the canvas that you can edit. Okay, so that is how you start from a template. If you want a bit more creative freedom, or if you're feeling a bit more adventurous in terms of design, you're welcome to start a creation from scratch, in which case you would navigate to this big plus button in the bottom center, and that will call up the Create tab. Here you could either start a design from an image or a video, or a blank canvas, which could be transparent, white, or black. So let's select transparent, and then you would select the particular format that you're designing for. We have all the major formats and all the major platforms here catered to. Of course, if you have a specific dimensions and you want to create a custom canvas, you can do that too by simply entering those dimensions. And then once you've selected your canvas, it's really just a process of adding various elements to the canvas and building up your design one step at a time. So you could add images either from your own device or your GoDaddy websites and marketing folder. Don't forget we have the Unsplash library, which has hundreds of thousands of really high quality royalty-free images. You could of course add whatever text you would like and express that text in more than 600 different fonts. Our graphics collection is another huge feature of GoDaddy Studio. We have thousands and thousands of these across so many different styles. You can collect your own collections or explore some of the latest content that we have in the app. In this section, by the way, you can also store your own logos, which is really useful when you want to add logos to your designs. And of course, you could add a shape, something very basic like that. And video, don't forget video, a major part of any content strategy, and all our templates are equally editable with images or videos, so that's definitely something you'd want to explore. Alright, let's close that and hit the create button again to take a look at layout collections. Now, layouts are somewhere between a blank canvas and a template, except they are designed as sets in a unified look and feel according to a whole range of different design styles. So it's really cool if you're looking to create a campaign or you want a very consistent look on your social media feed. You could select any of these, and they come in a range of different formats, so it's really great for getting your brand on different platforms. And they're so easy to use. You simply just tap on one of them. You can very easily edit the text. And if you want to create an image, you simply tap the placeholders and just pop an image in there. Couldn't be simpler. Of course, you can start to do things like change the colors, and you can edit just about anything in a layout collection, but I think the coolest thing about them is that they look pretty good as they come, just fresh out the box, ready to go. Alright, now regardless of whether you are creating from a template or a blank canvas or a layout collection, all your projects that you work on will automatically be saved in your projects folder. So let's take a look at the bottom right hand side here. I'll tap on projects, and you can already see that all these designs I've worked on just in the last few minutes, right from the beginning, even if they were only open for a moment or two on my canvas, as soon as they've been on my canvas, they're automatically saved, so you don't ever have to worry about losing anything. However, if you want to delete them, you can of course do that. You have the option of deleting as many as you like. You can batch delete, and what you can also do is start to arrange your designs into folders, so you can really organize your projects that way too. And whether you're working on mobile or web, your projects will always sync across all platforms, so you can start a design on mobile, pick it up later on web, and vice versa. They are automatically synced across all your devices. Alright, hopefully that's enough to get you started. Try it out for yourself today and see how deep the creative rabbit hole really goes. You can download the free app for iOS or Android via links in the description. And please remember to subscribe to this channel to keep learning about GoDaddy Studio and what it can do for your small business.